Hi guys and welcome to Learn with Nia. Tell me something, do you feel awkward, uncomfortable or nervous on camera? Well, you're not alone. So many new YouTubers, especially those of us who are over 40, struggle with camera confidence. But the good news? Confidence is a skill and you can improve it. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through a 7-day camera confidence challenge. Every day you'll have one small actionable step to help you feel more comfortable, natural and relaxed on video. By the end of this challenge, you'll be more confident, you'll stop overthinking and you'll be ready to show up as your authentic self. Sound good? Let's get started. Day 1. Get comfortable seeing yourself on camera. Okay, so day 1 is about getting comfortable seeing yourself on camera. So this is your challenge for today. Open your phone's camera, your webcam or whatever you're using to record on. Press record and just talk for 1 or 2 minutes about anything you want to. It could be your day, your hobbies, your favourite movie, whatever feels natural to talk about. Then once you've recorded for 1 or 2 minutes, press stop and then watch it back. I know this might feel a bit weird and even uncomfortable at first, but this step is so important. Why? Because the more you see yourself on video, the less critical you'll become on how you look and sound. Because it's just you. And that's exactly what people want to see. 6 months ago, I would never have imagined I'd be sitting here now making a video for you on camera confidence. I wasn't confident at all on camera. I was nervous, I was shy. And sometimes I'd stumble over my words, wouldn't know what to say, wouldn't feel relaxed at all on camera. But now after making a selection of videos, my confidence has grown immensely on camera. I don't feel shy anymore, I don't feel nervous anymore, and I stumble over my words less than what I did at the start. I still stumble now and again, but that's normal. And who wants to be perfect anyway? I would never have guessed how comfortable I'd feel sitting here on camera, even though I'm full of cold. But I'm still happy to do it and I'm still happy to talk to you. This is something that will grow for you in time. And day 1 is the first step to get in there. Day 2. Okay, your challenge for day 2 is to speak naturally without overthinking. Okay, so after day 1, if you've done that exercise a couple of times in day 1, then by day 2, you'll be a little bit more comfortable seeing yourself on screen. So in your challenge for day 2, let's focus on how you speak. Now, when I say how you speak, I'm not talking about your accent, okay? Because we all have different accents, and doesn't that make the world sound amazing? I'm talking about the way you portray information. So your challenge for day 2 is turn on your camera, your webcam, whatever you're using to record, and record yourself talking about a simple topic. Something like my favourite 3 foods, or my favourite 3 movies, or a song that inspires me. Now don't script it and don't overthink it. Just talk naturally as if you were just talking to a friend, okay? And after you've finished, watch it back and notice how your voice sounds more relaxed when you're just chatting. So you're just sitting there chatting to your friend about your 3 favourite foods. What does the food taste like? What do you like about it? What's the texture like? How often you eat that food? What makes you love those 3 foods? And remember, the best YouTubers aren't the ones with perfect delivery. They're the ones who talk naturally and connect with their audience. So don't try to sound too professional. Just try to be yourself. Day 3. So now that you're getting more used to recording yourself on camera during day 1 and day 2, on day 3, we're going to improve your body language and your expressions. So a stiff, rigid posture and a miserable face can make you look nervous on camera even if you're not. So your challenge for day 3 is to record yourself smiling and talking about something you really love. So whether that's your partner, your children, your car, your computer, whatever it is, record yourself talking about it. And make sure you put on that smile. Now watch it back and notice your posture. Sit or stand tall. Use hand movements if you want to. Sometimes I'll use hand movements, if I'm, oh, goodness me, or thinking, oh no, I've made a mistake here, or, oh, I don't know what to do about this. This bit was really confusing. Whatever it is, if a hand movement helps, a hand movement helps. The important thing is to keep open body language. So when you're watching yourself back, notice these things in your first video, then record a second video and try and add in these other bits and pieces. So your posture, stand tall, put your head up, put on a smile, but don't make it fake, make it natural. But be happy on camera. No one wants to watch somebody who's really down in the dumps and miserable, unless you're doing a channel on being a funeral director or something very solemn. Then people want to see you smile. People want to see you enthused about the subject you're talking about. So show that enthusiasm and keep that open body language, because that helps draw people in. And experiment with expressions that match your message or what you're talking about. So if you are talking about a serious subject, then you will want a serious face, but you still want to sound interesting and positive with it, okay? And you still want to have that openness. So experiment with expressions that match your message and what your video is about. And why is this? Because confidence isn't just in your voice. It's how you carry yourself and how you portray yourself. So when you open up your body, then your energy instantly improves. So try it and let me know how you get on in the comments below. Day 4. Okay, now that you're getting more and more used to recording every day, in day 4, I'm going to challenge you to record yourself with no pressure. Okay? Record a video that you're not going to show anyone. This video is just for you. No one else is ever going to see it. It's just for you. So your challenge is to pick a topic and record yourself talking about that topic, whatever it is, for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't edit it. Don't post it. Just record it. The goal from this exercise is to just practice with no pressure. Why? Because when you remove that fear of judgment, you start to feel more relaxed on camera. This one is just for you. Day 5. Okay, your challenge for day 5 is to talk without a script, okay? So what I want you to do is choose a topic in your niche that you will talk about, and write 3 to 5 bullet points on that topic. Then talk through each bullet point naturally as if you're talking to a friend. Why do this? Because unscripted speech feels more natural and your personality will shine through when you're not reading word for word. Now, some of you who've seen some of my other videos will know that I'm a big advocate of bullet points, okay? If you script a video word for word, it can constrict what you want to say. Whereas when you've got bullet points, you can see them there. You know the topics you want to talk about. You know perhaps the facts, figures that you've got to talk about in your video, but you're not confined. Because sometimes something may pop into your head and you might think, oh, I should have said that, but you didn't script it. So when you've got bullet points, you've got more freedom and you sound more authentic and you sound more like you, and people want to get to know you, learn from you, watch you, and become part of your community. Day 6. Watch and analyse your progress. Okay, so you've been recording videos for 5 days. So on day 6, what I want you to do is watch back your videos from day 1 to 5. Choose a video and re-record it on day 6. Doesn't have to be exactly the same, but just the same gist, the same topic, okay? Re-record it on day 6 and then watch it back and compare it to that original video. And if you don't see an improvement, I will be astounded, because believe me, after 5 days of making short videos, your confidence will definitely have increased, even if it's just a little bit. But I know that some of you will see a big difference in your confidence on camera, and you will feel a lot more comfortable on camera. And let me know in the comments below how you feel this is going. I'm telling you now, you will see some sort of increase in your confidence on camera, even if it's just that little bit. By day 6, you will be more confident. Day 7, record and either upload your video to YouTube or show it to your friends. Okay, so day 7 is the big day. This is where you are going to record a video that you are actually going to show people. Whether that's your friends and family, just on your phone, that's fine. Or if you want to upload your first video to YouTube, go ahead and do it. On day 7, you will have more confidence to be able to do this. So your challenge for today. So film either your next or first YouTube video, or a video that you are going to definitely be showing your family and or friends. Use all of the skills you've learned throughout the week, and don't overthink it. Just record and upload or show your friends and family. Because remember, confidence comes from doing and not from waiting. By day 7, believe me, you're ready to put yourself out there. So there you have it, your 7-day camera confidence challenge. Which day was the hardest for you? Drop me a comment below to let me know. I'd love to hear about your progress. And if you found this challenge helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And remember, you've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.